Hello friends and welcome back to our Sniper Plus video series, and this is our third video of the series. And today I'm going to explain you about the advanced features of Sniper Plus, which includes dynamic position sizing. So without wasting our time, let's begin the session. Okay, this is a Sniper Plus, and today I will be explaining you about add quantity, then intraday or positional, that is today or carryover, then maximum profit, maximum loss, then what is maximum open trades, then buy or sell, then brokerage and hybrid mode. Okay, let's start from add quantity. Okay, add quantity. Here we can add the quantity. Okay, let it be 2. Okay, now imagine if you are getting a buy call. The software will be getting 3 calls, that is 3 lots in a buy. And if the second trade is in loss, it will increase the lot size to 3 plus 2, that will be 5. So next loss will be 7, that is 5 plus 2, 7. It will go on until its target 1 is achieved. So when the target 1 is achieved, the number of quantity may be 7, 8, 10, something like that. And the target 1 quantity must be 100%, like it should be in percentage. And stop loss is 0.15 percentage. Now here you can put it in a point also. In the last video I have explained about these things. I have put it, the stop loss target 1 has the point, but now here let it be percentage, and target 1 it must be the percentage only. Okay, now first let us check whether we have written everything correctly. Add quantity is 2, quantity is 3, and target 1 quantity is 100%. Okay, everything is right. First we need to go to chat, and so that I can explain you each and everything with the examples. So save it and close it. Now here in open order, play in a chat. Now we got a sell call, and the sell call with the quantity 3. Here if the stop loss is getting triggered, or the chart is giving loss call, or the stop loss is getting triggered here, okay, then what will happen is it will be, the call will be increased, the quantity will be increased by 2, that is 3 plus 2, 5. It needs to take the call as 5. Okay, let's see whether it is taking as 5. We got a buy call here, and before chat has given the loss call, so we got next we got the buy call, and the quantity is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, here the quantity is 5, and let's play again. Okay, now we got a sell call, and sell clause is also in loss, and the call before we got it was also in loss, so we got 7 plus 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, until the target 1 is not achieved, it won't get restarted. Only if the target 1 is closed, then it will be getting restarted. Okay, so first we need to achieve the target 1. Now here second call is also in loss. Now third call which we got is it is also in loss. Okay, let's check. Okay, now here target 1 got achieved. Okay, now let's come to Sniper Plus. here in Sniper Plus in closed orders, we can see there are 3 calls. One is sell call, another one is buy call, another one is sell call again. Here the first call is sell call and the quantity is 3 and the call is in loss. Okay, the trade is in loss. The second call is the quantity we took it as 5 and the second trade is also in loss. The third trade we took the quantity as 7 and the second trade was in loss and the third trade in profit. And here we can see it will restart from the beginning and the total trade is 3, profit is 1 and total loss is 2 and the net profit is 15,940. Okay, now here there are another way, that is into 2. Okay, here in into 2 it will be multiplying and in plus 2 that is adding, that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, some like that. And here it is 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, it goes on like this. It will be multiplying here but there it was adding. Okay, now here let's see with the example. So first we need to clear all the trade which we have opened. So I have closed everything and come to chat and bar replay. Let's see what will happen. In the first trade took it the 3 quantity and the second trade we took it 6 quantity. And third trade we took at 12 quantity. It is checking. And now target 1 got achieved. Okay, now come to closed order. Here we can see first trade at 3, 6 and 12. Net profit is 54,330 and here we can see the total profit is 35,748 rupees. Okay, this is all about add quantity. Let's clear it and come to symbol settings, and here I am going to explain about intraday AR or position. Okay, that is today and carryover. Today means intraday. Imagine we have a features like the NFO, okay, that is Bank Nifty. There is an options like start, end and a square of time. Okay, starting time is like from 10 o'clock only we are starting the trade. That is on the basis of the system time, not basis on the chart time. Here it is taking the time on the basis of system. Okay, this is important actually. This is taking the chart, it's not taking the chart time, it's taking the system time. Here it's same in end call also. Let's keep it in 2 o'clock, the trade is getting end. And here also the software will taking the calls, the positions after 2 p.m. and square off after 3 o'clock. Let's keep it 3 o'clock. If you want to square off all the position, you can square off. But one thing is, when it comes to today, intraday position, that is square off is time is there, no? It is applicable only for today. That is intraday position today. But it is not applicable for carryover. Okay, it is not applicable for carryover. But starting day time and ending time is applicable for carryover, but this is not applicable for carryover. You need to mind it in. Okay, then square off is applicable. Now click on save. Now come to symbol setting. Okay, I hope you understood what is intraday or position. The next one is maximum profit and maximum loss. Okay, now maximum profit, let it be 500. Okay, if the 500 rupees profit for the Bank Nifty is achieved, then the chart will stop trading for that day. It will trade for the next day, but it won't take the trade for this day. That because the target 1 is got achieved, that is maximum profit is 500. After that it won't take the trade. It is same for the maximum loss also. If the target 1 is achieved, that is maximum loss is achieved, then it won't take the signals for that day, but it will take the signals for the next day. Okay, only for Bank Nifty, not for others, only for Bank Nifty. Okay, so max profit let it be 2000 and the max loss let it be 1000. So if the profit is achieved for 2000, it will not take the call for this day, it will take the trade for next day. Okay, same for max loss also. Let us save. Now come to Sniper Plus. Before we need to clear, so come to Sniper Plus. So next come to chart here, play. Now we got a buy and the maximum profit, I think it's got achieved. Yes, it's got achieved. That is maximum close price is here, and here profit is 2400. The maximum profit we have returned 2000 and the profit we got is 2400. That is, it will be like 2000 or more than 2000. Now let's play whether it is taking another signal or not. We can understand it. So it is checking the next signal. Yes, we got a nest sell, but it's not taking. We got a nest buy, but it's not taking. That's because the maximum profit is got achieved. That's why it's not taking any signal for this day. Okay. It is the same thing is applicable for maximum loss also. Now, only for the particular symbol it is applicable. If you want to add this maximum profit and maximum loss for each symbol like Bank Nifty, USDNR and other script also, then in settings we have maximum profit and maximum loss, and this is applicable for all the scripts, all the symbols. Okay, like Bank Nifty, USDINR or other 10 or 15 scripts. Okay, and if the profit is achieved, okay, and if the profit is achieved, then the 2000 rupee profit is achieved. The chart, the sniper will not take any order from the chart. It will stop taking the orders automatically. The rupees 200 profit achieved, it will not trade for any symbols for that day, but it will take the profit for the next day, but for that day it won't take the profit. It will close automatically. Okay, then maximum open trades. Maximum open trade is like you can let it be 3 or 2. Okay, here in the open trade also there will be like more than 5 to 7 open trades, but if you put that maximum open trade is 2, it will take only 2 open trades. It won't take more than that. Okay, it won't take more than that. First trade will happen, second trade will happen, third trade it won't happen. That because we have written only 2 trades. The third trade will happen only if the second trade is closed. Okay, I'll show you with the example. So maximum open trade as 2. Now click on save. Now come to Sniper Plus, click on buy. Now we got a buy. We can see in open order. Now USDNR, click on buy. Now here also we can see. Now click on Union Bank and click on buy. Now it's not taking the buy. That's because now we can see it in the cancel order. The Union Bank, and here the reason is trade is ignored because the maximum open trades. Okay, now order has been cancelled here. Now we have to close any one order, that is open order. Then you can go to Union Bank. We need to click on buy. It won't take the buy from the cancelled order, but will take the buy freshly. So click on buy. Now in open order you can see that it took the buy. This is applicable for all the, okay. Now here maximum open trade for only Bank Nifty. Okay. This maximum open trade is applicable for only Bank Nifty. Here we can take the open orders for Bank Nifty, only 3 open orders, not more than that. And this is symbol wise, and this one is on the basis of every symbols. Each and every symbols it is applicable. Maximum profit, maximum loss, maximum open trades. But this when it comes to here, this is applicable for the particular symbol. Like here it is applicable for only Bank Nifty. Okay. Next, if you need to trade, you can need to trade only for buy or only for sell, then here we can keep buy. Now for Bank Nifty you can only buy, you can't sell. Okay, let's see. Save. Now here first need to close and then click on buy. Now we got a buy call here and close it. Now here let's take a sell call. Now it is not taking the sell. Why it's not taking the sells? Come to canceller, you can get the reasons also here, like maximum trades for the symbols. Like as we mentioned here, we are taking only buy only, so let's keep it as both only. Okay, next one is brokerage. If you're doing the maximum profit, in the maximum profit, if you need to include the brokerage too, like after brokerage, I need 500 rupees or 1000 rupees profit, then you need a brokerage there. Like maybe you are doing trade in Bank Nifty and you are trading in 3 quantity. The brokerage is 400 rupees. So net profit is go to 900 rupees profit. Then only it will be considered as profit of 500 rupees. Okay friends, this is all about today's session. I hope you all understood what I've told till now. And as I told you before, you can download the Sniper Plus with the paper trading features from the link provided in the description below. And if you have any feedback, queries or suggestion regarding the Sniper Plus software, you can put it in the chat box through the link provided in the description, which will help us in improving the product features for the better trading solutions. And most importantly, we are always happy to help you and guide you. And please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of each and every new videos. Okay, thank you so much friends. Thank you.